Hello everybody, hi to all, good time to everyone. Today I continue to make video with nice collection of locks from Great Britain, from our friends from community Paul. Once again I say you thank you very much. I'm happy to use these locks, really. And I not change brand because Paul give two locks of GeGe. So second GeGe, very interesting. His K and his cutting on the K, very very interesting. Really, this look danger. Yes, look danger. And profile of lock, like you can to watch it now to see. So I change place. I make little change here. If and I change raccource of video. If you see some problems with video, or not good raccource or something, some problems, who's watching channel, say me please about this in comments. I want to know this for more good looking watching of video. And I want just two words. I make video. I not start to make video. I start to ready to make tools because not full set I have now, and I need to make something for gutting of Kaba Expertise 22. And some friends from community ask me about this moment, if I can to make it or not. So yes, it is. I'll make it, and I'm happy to make it. Very nice moment about Kaba, and gutting process, because it's not standard, very difficult, and you need to have tools, not standard tools, because it's this radial platform, and one after second after third, it's very not easy to out, to back more difficult. So it will not little video, but I'll try to make this excellent. It's very interesting story, and this lock very interesting for me. It's very. I don't know. I not found perfect every point in this lock, so I not pick 22 pins, just 12. But after this not take me answer, not give me answer, because 12 pins, this it's that's all. It's not have many different 12 or 22, more 10 pins, I don't know, but I can to pick 22. Okay, and I not make it now. I not have time now for Kaba, but Kaba on the table always. This lock I need to I need not just to pick him one lock. One lock I pick. No, I need to pick him full understanding. No. Okay. I back to our so, and I make this video everything good about this moment. I want to say this. I believe maybe this friend will look this video and watch this video. So okay, working, nice working, everything good. And we take this. How many time I make? 5 minutes. I don't want to make this long. How we see everything. Maybe I make this moment nice, yes, of course. But if yes, okay. I'm sorry for all points. No, technical. So GeGe, this GeGe, I try to found ask pin, and it's strange, but not. Now I feel second. Sorry, no, it's go not second, first, but everything good now. Second on the place, and third asking. Not now for asking. Just a moment. Nice. Now for it was 5, 3, first, second, third, nice. Ask but not full first. I think no. I not was on first. Nice. And now we only 6 and 5. Okay, from first. Now first ask. Little tension because very high pin. Nice. This was third. It's oops. Everything good. So third was final. No, finish pin. Pin of finish. Yes. I don't know. So we pick this lock. It's not take many time, and I got him like every lock. I can't to say what we have in the lock. We have four mushrooms, different. What mean different? Different, just one from 4 mushrooms. It's more long, so it's have one full gates. one full, not more, just more long, and that's all, not something. We see good, nice. This is very nice. So, Paul, I learn with you to get quickly locks, I think. Yes, because I not get locks. I not very like it to do it, and but here I need I need to. Oops. I need to get it. Nice and little. Come on, nice. This one good. This part. And pins. Now I show. This is pins. First steel of K pins and third of driver steel too, and very interesting little pins of high pins of K pins, and this middle, so it's have two, and this very low not have nothing, but this lock not very difficult, not difficult, but more difficult from first, from first. And thank you, X-Men, for your tool. This tool make X-Men. I am just handle. This is very, very, very. I need to take one arm, no, two arms, but I show now. It's a very, very strong steel, very, very spring. So you can to give power when you if you need to give power. So very nice tool, really something. I put this and multi-pick. Big question, what more good? Big question. This have 0.39, little from 0.4. So, and this is very good hook. And for example, I show one more hook, and that's all. It's not action of tools of this man, but I want to show this, just this piece, this very, very thin, very something not normal, but it's so, I don't understand what kind of steel is it, but it's I pick with this Medeco have springs and all, and it's very good to turn pins with this tool, and this tool something It's a very, very, no, very good tool. So this man make really nice tools, and this desk from him too make good moments of our lock sport. So I say about this just. He's always in my comments. Yes. So if you watch his channel, you understand who's make these tools. So have a nice day, everyone. Good luck. Thank for watching. Bye bye.